Hi, and welcome to R&D Chat. I'm your host, Lindsay Hawk, Managing Editor of R&D Magazine. In tough economic times, construction projects are often early victims to budget cuts. During the recent recession, research labs were no exception, as many lab construction projects were delayed or canceled. However, lab owners and architectural and engineering firms note that the lab construction business is slowly returning. The industry continues to face a new normal as the types of lab projects, client expectations, priorities for sustainability, budgets, timelines, and methods for designing and managing the building process have evolved amid the new fiscal realities. Despite the challenges, many of these changes are resulting in better facilities. While in 2010 and 2011 were relatively flat years for the lab design industry, 2012 and 2013 showed a gradual increase in activity, but indicators still suggest a bumpy climb as we move into 2014. During this time, the industry saw many projects halted, canceled, or scaled back as sequester and budget cuts had major impacts on federal funding for basic research in the U.S. Client organizations merged, closed sites, and reduced staff. The contraction had a ripple effect on design firms, and they had to readjust staffing, design efforts, and strategic planning. Academia and corporations took more conservative approaches to facility development, leading to fewer new construction projects, some renovation work, and more studies to plan for capital improvements. Enrollments increased at universities, but their budgets didn't include expansion of new facilities, resulting in renovations to accommodate growing numbers of students and researchers. Many institutions looked for generic labs in the hopes of achieving long-term flexibility. However, a one-size-fits-all approach can lock buildings into being inflexible when it comes to the types of research activities that take place. Today, the lab design process is characterized by a more, faster, smarter mindset. Lab owners may need to maximize funds in a short time frame. Designers are developing leaner processes for delivering projects and leveraging technology as a means of doing so. The question has remained, how can we get more science into less space? The answer is simple, but complex in execution. Do more with less.